Best barcode apps for Shopify. Hey everyone and welcome. I hope you're all doing great. In this video, we will discuss about the best barcode apps out there that are going to help you generate barcodes for your products in no time, and including more features that they have, in store for us. And I'm going to obviously list them for you and show you the differences between them and read through what they have to offer. Now, obviously, you want to have your Shopify account ready to go, and you want to sign into your admin in order to get started. And to install any of the following apps that I'm about to showcase, you are going to need to go to the Shopify App Store in order to access them. And to do so, you just want to go to your Shopify admin, go to Apps, click on All Recommended Apps, and just click on Shopify App Store from here. And then you just basically want to search for each app that I'm about to showcase. So let's just go ahead and get started. So the first one on the list, and by the way, the list that I'm about to showcase, the order that I specify them in does not really make them better or worse. You are going to have to decide for yourself on which one is better for you and your situation. Now the first one is actually going to be this one right here, which is F Retail barcode generator. So it's going to be this little blue icon app. So F Retail Barcode Generator is the app in question, and we are going to talk about the pricing first. So it starts with a free plan actually, and it's going to allow you to create 20 retail barcode label prints. And I'm not going to read through everything here, but you can also upgrade to get more. As you can see, it jumps to 1,000, and then you also have premium plan at $49 a month, which is just going to increase obviously the limit and give you more things here. And we also have a yearly plan instead if you want to go for that as well. Now let's just go and read through the different aspects about this app. Easy retail barcode generator print retail barcode labels for products UPC and GTIN supported. So you can actually read through this if you want to easily print multiple barcode labels on the go, and they have also 24/7 support and so much more. And here we can actually read through the highlights, generate retail barcode labels and print using barcode printer app, bulk generate barcode numbers on one go with custom generator. Also, like we said, UPC and GTIN barcodes, which opens up products in retail stores, works with UPC and the following mentioned apps. And we also have easy scan barcode using a barcode scanner at your retail or offline shops. So this is for the F retail barcode generator. Now going to the actual second option that we have, it's easy scan, SKU, and barcode. Now there is another one in the list which also has a similar name to it, so just keep this in mind: easy scan, SKU, and barcode. So it's going to be this one with the green label. So in here we obviously have the main feature being generating barcodes, but they also have more things like the previous one: manage inventory and order fulfillment, retail barcode labels, SKU generator, and also barcode generator and print obviously. So here obviously you can create, pick, pack, fulfill, and check orders with a barcode scanner to stop errors. And you have also SKU and barcode generator, print custom barcodes labels with a barcode printer. Obviously picking and fulfillment is easy with multi-label barcodes, and it's going to help you with tracking your inventory and more things here as well, like inventory reports and also more things to it. Now jumping into the pricing plans that they don't have a free plan, but they do actually offer free trials for each of their plans. They start with $9.99, and they're going to provide you with the following, and it's going to be up to about $60 a month if you want to upgrade for more elements. Now we want to also go ahead and jump into the next one. So let's just go ahead and go to the next one. Like I said, there's another one which is going to have a similar name, which is Easy SKU and Barcode Generator. Remember the previous one was Easy Scan. This one is Easy SKU and Barcode Generator. So if you open this up, again, it's going to obviously help you with barcode generation, but obviously different things that they provide. So single tech SKU barcode generate, simplify SKU and barcode generation for your store. And in here, we can actually read, generate SKU codes and barcodes effortlessly with single tech generation. And then we can also choose from random code generation or advanced numbering options. This is going to be completely up to you, as it's a available option that they have. And this is going to be obviously internal use only. It's not going to be for like Amazon, Walmart, or, you get the idea. So for the pricing plans, it's going to be free to install, but you're going to obviously be allowed 20 SKUs and barcodes for free. And then if you wanted to go to unlimited for $3.99 a month or $39 a year, which is a great deal if you think about it. So this is for the Easy SKU and Barcode Generator. It's obviously highly rated, much like the other options that we showcased, because again, these are the best options out there. Now there is going to be one last final one, so let's just go in and show you that one as well. So the last one that we have in this video, which is going to be Megastore Retail Barcode Label. So it's going to be this one right here, and if you click on it, we can feel free to read more about it. Obviously high rating, like we said, and it's going to obviously help you with generating barcodes and SKUs, and create and print perfect retail barcode labels for your needs is their tagline. So generate barcodes with different formats, and also the SKUs. Design label template easily with a few clicks and using drag and drop, which is easy to use. Obviously, print labels in any paper, type, size, and mass using any printer, and also add any details you need. And obviously, we have more things to it, which is also going to support smartphones and so on. Now, for the pricing, we have the free one, which is going to allow you for 200 monthly labels and more things here as well. Like I said, I'm not going to read all of it. You can feel free to pause the video at any point and read more about it when it comes to the pricing plan. And then it goes from $8.49 a month up to $27.99 a month, and you can feel free to see the differences between each plan. Now, this is going to actually include a one-time charge, which is $11.99. It is going to actually give you 2,000 permanent labels for the $11.99. But if you want it to be 5,000, then you pay one time with $22.99. And if you want 15,000 permanent labels, it's going to be $44.99. So this is obviously going to be a great way to just, spend your money at once. You just pay one time and you're good to go. Now, if all of that seemed to be overwhelming, I made this little whiteboard here for you to read through. So I'm just going to allow you to pause the video here, compare them for yourself, and see which one is actually going to be better for you. So I just showed you the best 4, in my opinion, based off of my research when it comes to barcode apps for Shopify. So just go ahead and pause the video, read more about them, the price, the highlights, and see which one is going to suit you best. Hopefully you found this video to be informative, and thanks for watching.